how secure is your computer? This question may seem simple, but the answer requires a deep dive into the world of cybersecurity. Today, we'll journey through the essential steps you can take to protect your computer from various threats. Firstly, installing antivirus software is akin to hiring your personal security guard. Choose a reputable antivirus program and ensure it's regularly updated to effectively detect and eliminate malware, viruses, and other harmful programs. Secondly, enabling the firewall is like building a wall around your digital fortress. This can either be the built-in firewall on your operating system or a third-party firewall. It serves to monitor and control the traffic flowing in and out of your network. Thirdly, keeping your software updated is as important as servicing your car. Regular updates to your operating system, web browsers, and applications patch security vulnerabilities and protect against exploits. Fourthly, using strong passwords is like having a unique key to each lock. Create complex passwords for your accounts and change them periodically. A password manager can be a handy tool to securely store and manage all your passwords. Fifthly, enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. This typically requires a verification code sent to your phone or email, in addition to your password. Sixthly, exercising caution online is as important as being vigilant in the real world. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources, as they can be traps containing malware or phishing attempts. Seventhly, securing your network is like locking your home's front door. Use strong encryption, such as WPA2, for your Wi-Fi network, and change the default administrator passwords on your routers and other network devices. Eighthly, backing up your data is like having a spare tire. Regularly back up your important files and data to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a backup service to protect against data loss due to ransomware, hardware failure, or other issues. Ninthly, being wary of public Wi-Fi is like avoiding the shady parts of town. Refrain from accessing sensitive information or logging into accounts when connected to public Wi-Fi networks, as they may be insecure and prone to snooping. Lastly, educating yourself is the best defense against threats. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices for protecting your computer and personal information online. By taking these steps, you're putting up a formidable defense against malware infections, data breaches, and other security incidents. Remember, the safety of your computer is in your hands. Now, you have the knowledge to keep it secure.